This bird is funny.
He's awesome.
Drinking water. So as you saw right there, that was a bird, a Jake Paul bird. Can you confirm this?
Yes.
What the?
It's like a map.
Yeah. We didn't film it, but that bird was fighting another bird that was on its rock. So we're just walking around. It kind of looks like Hogwarts, this thing, because it's like up. It's like the thing they walk through. But this video goes out to Blue Cat Merch, the coolest, Blue Cat Inc., the coolest company in the world. The best part is that you can buy it. It's the best because it's super exclusive. If you don't buy it right now, then you won't get it ever. So this video is, for some reason, I'm gonna give a shout out to Emilio, Jaime, Grizzly Bear 2244222, Andrea, Herrera, and other channels if you want to check them out. So yeah, we're gonna come back to you when I get later. Lady. So I just paused this video because in the lobby there's this awesome sandcastle that they sculpted. It's the hotel, but it's so cool. It's all sand. So I just wanted to pause the video to show you. It's a whale. And there's a lot of water. It's like waves. As you see, there's the bay. There's a bunch of boats. You can see a lot of boats. It's a really colorful one over there. But yeah, it's cool. I'm gonna touch it. Ooh, it's refreshing. Stupid street. Do you want me to show you a little more? Now an epic whale montage.
Any way you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it. She loves to laugh.
So, I don't know if I should end this vlog off, but there's a nice garden here. I want you to decide if the fans should be blue cats or blue catsers, any name you want. Just comment down below. Hopefully there's a lot of comments. Guys, comment down below if you want blue cat merch. I want blue cat merch. Blue cat merch. Blue cat merch. So yeah. And it'll be $20. See you next video. This is a Jake Paul bird. But peace, peace, peace.